Wanna know how you can cancel an offer on Postmark? Well, let me help you. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can cancel an offer on Postmark. Well, first what you want to do is you want to open up your Postmark. Now you can open up the Postmark application as well. The process is similar. I'll be showing you here on the browser itself. Now, if you want to do it on browser, you want to simply open up your browser on your device, and then you want to search in for postmark.com, and here you can see I'm on Postmark. Make sure you're logged into your account. Now once you're logged in, you should get an interface like this. Tap on the profile icon that you can see beside the search icon at the top right corner of your screen. Once you tap on it here, you can see various options. You can see my drafts, my logs, and under it you can see my offers. Simply select my offers option, and under it what you want to do is select the offer that you want to cancel, and from select help from there, and once there you want to drop down, and from the drop down menu you want to select the cancel offer option, and you'll be able to cancel an offer. Now if you're having issues canceling an offer, then what you'll have to note is purchase made using make an offer are binding and cannot be cancelled as an accidental purchase. Now, so hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.